Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Out Fishing. We are on Shearon Harris Lake again. Just doing a little Sunday night fishing after the crowd has left, and it is an absolutely beautiful night tonight. Here's Jim back in the back. He just turned it on here a little bit ago. He caught 4 fish in the last 20 minutes or so on this sexy shad square bill. I've had a lot of luck with that thing, and I'm going to tell you, you guys think we're crazy, but the Ozark Trail square bill, $1.99 at Walmart. Get yourself one. Work the Rocky Points out here at Shearon Harris. You'll catch some fish. How many fish have we caught on those? Over
a lot.
A ton, man. So a lot. And so I'm gonna keep on fishing, see if we can get some more. It's supposed to be a full moon tonight. Little evening bite on right here at dark, and might stay a little bit after dark tonight and do some fishing in the dark. But we're having a good time, ain't we, Jim?
We sure is.
It is 2 misses for me, 4 bass for Jim, so I got to get back after it. All kinds of stuff swirling right here. Swirling in front of the boat and everything. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I got something. Yeah, little bass. I think that's what that is. Oh no! Oh, that's cool, man. Oh, didn't get my hands on him. Boy, he tagged that thing though.
He hit the big one, didn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, he tagged it. Must be what's running in here. Oh, good job, buddy. Is that a catfish? No, it's a bass. Nice job, man. Fishing Texas rig,
yep.
Zoom.
Yep.
Beautiful. Boy, he must have chomped on it the way you set that hook.
Yeah, he did. When he took it, it was all done, bro.
Take 2 pictures. You ready? Good job, man.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
one, brother. The old worm.
The old worm.
You need people to reverse engineer.
Oh crap! I got a fish on there.
You're over there.
I thought it was snagged.
No, you ain't snagged, homie. I don't think you got a good hook in him, though. Just be careful with him. Is that a good size one?
I can't tell.
You're standing on the net. I'll net it for you if you can get that net out.
Yeah,
Let's get the net. Bring him over here. You ain't got him hooked good at all. Where's he at? Oh, crap. I've got to get him heading into it. There we go. Good job, buddy. You were over there playing like you were pulling on a weed. Hilarious.
my hand down in there. Had him hooked in the head.
I know. I knew you didn't have him hooked in the mouth or the side of the mouth. Good. I can't believe you got him in with that hook in the head like that.
little fish, man. Chunky little bugger. Jeez.
Those little things are munching tonight, man.
He's itty bitty, guys. Come on. He hit it right at the boat, man. There we go. Come on now.
Yep.
Get you another one. Oh, I missed him. No, I didn't.
He came back after it. Oh, you're killing me tonight. This is cracking me up. Oh my goodness, that's awesome, bro. The old Bobby Lane hand clamp on it.
Sorry. Didn't mean to get it all.
Ooh, easy. Keep him over the boat. Keep her over the boat so you don't lose it.
Golly. Yeah. Good deal, man.
There's two more for the hole. Get another one?
I think so.
Oh, I just got hit. Dude, I just got whacked. Oh, I got stumped, dude.
Dude, what is up with this?
Oh my gosh.
This is freaking nuts. Thought you said it was my turn.
Put your camera out.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oops. Turn around. Photo. There we go. Man, we almost doubled up, dude. Good one. Oh, son, come on. Stay down, baby. He's running right at the boat right now. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a big one. That's a good one, man.
Sweet.
Did you see the one? Did you see the one fly out of the water beside him?
Is that? I thought that
was the second fish.
So that was another fish.
That was another fish that was with it. No. No, it was another fish came out of the water beside it. Well, guys, we're gonna cut the outro of this video here in the parking lot at the North Boat Ramp at Harris. Had a heck of a night, didn't we?
It was fun.
We have not had a night on Harris like this ever. I don't know what happened tonight. I was fishing. We were fishing with a sexy shad square bill most of the night. I was fishing a spinner bait. We fished a worm a little bit. You caught one on a worm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
black
Texas
worm.
Texas rig trick worm. He caught one off of that. Most all the rest of them were caught off that sexy shad square bill. I missed two tonight. I was fishing with probably a 2.0 square bill. I switched up to the sexy shad, like the 1.0 size that Ozark Trail one I was talking about earlier. Snagged one almost on the first cast when we started fishing that. And so crazy. I mean, Jim caught 5 fish in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Right at the end, I just started feeding and go ahead.
Once they started feeding, it was on.
Yeah, they started feeding and they were up
fun.
against close to the bank. They were midways to the boat. A couple of them hit right at the boat. I mean, they were just out here just feeding on shad like something crazy tonight, I guess. And so we had a blast. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take every opportunity you can to get out fishing, even if it's late on a Sunday night. You only got a little bit of time. Good things can happen. See you guys in the next episode.